Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforesmagicwave.com, making this video as a weekly recap. So let's get started. The week started on the 26th, and here's the first trade on the 26th. Euro Aussie, as we were expecting, is going to drop on the 26th. It dropped all the way from the 150 pip straight. This is my sell order and SL move here. On the 26th, this is a long Aussie USD. Buy order here, SL move here. It was all because of the Aussie strength. Aussie was keep going to the upside. Aussie index was getting strong. Aussie was getting strong, and everything on where the Aussie is on the right hand side went down, and where the Aussie was on the left hand side in the pair went up. Like Aussie USD went up, Aussie yen went up, and Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, they went down. That's how it is. On the 27th, see again, it's the same thing. Aussie yen was going up. It was not going too fast because yen was also getting strong. So, with the Aussie trivial, here's my buy order here. And this is all these trades are taken by using my Magic IV system. Okay, and if you want to know more about that system, you can go on my website right here, myforesmagicwave.com, and just watch the videos there. On the 27th, like I said, the Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie both went down. This was my target, which was achieved later on. You will see I had another trade, more to the downside. This is the sell order here, a sell move to break even plus. And this is from here to here is 100 pip, and I had another one. Let me show it to you. This is USD CAD. Went down very easily. The TL touch, that's something like that is just piece of cake, right? And my wave 5 target was reached, and I closed the trade, even though it went down a lot more than that. Here, Pound Aussie again, right? So the first one was I just showed you the target was 91.78. So it came very close, but then it started bouncing and it went up and again came down and went all the way down. So that's on the 28th, by the way, right? And then on the 28th, again, this was my first one, which you just saw, 400. I think it was 150, right? And then after that, it dropped a little bit more, and then it bounced. Beautiful entry on the other day, 28. The first one was on 26th, right? This was on 26. Here's at 28. Again, it's 120 pip to the downside. This is how it is. Pound Aussie, it was against the trend kind of trade. It is my Magic IB second degree setup, which is if it is, the price is way too far from the red line and reaching to a strong resistance, then it will drop and go towards the red line, right? So I took advantage of that. Usually I don't take the second degree trade, but yeah, it was a solid trade, so I took it, and it is 460 pips. And here, Pound CAD was doing the same thing, but a little late, and I got the setup here, nice setup. Not from all the way top. I waited, and then it came down here, and that gave me a nice short setup, and that's 100 pip to the downside on the 29th. This is the only short setup on the 29th. That's the only trade, by the way. And on the 30th, Pound Aussie, it went down. It was actually the 29th. The entry was on 29th, but I held it to the 20 on the 30th. Early into the 30th, I closed the trade, but I still say that it's the trade on the 29th, 110 pip, and then later on it makes the turn and then goes to the upside. You will see. And then Euro Aussie turns again. So the bottom line was that, let me show you the chart if I have it. I don't know if I, okay, here, see this chart here? So this is Aussie index. It went up all the way here. So it was 3,500, and just above that was a nice resistance, weekly low, 3,550, 3,555. So I said, okay, this is enough, and it's probably going to drop from here, or maybe go a little bit more and then drop. And that's what it did. It went up a little bit more, you can see here. Instead of 35, it went up to 33.55 and then dropped. So it was going up first. So I had all those shorts in Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie. And then from here, it started dropping. So Aussie started getting now weaker and Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie went flying to the upside. And that's why you see this big trade. It bounced from here. This is a big level on the weekly chart, 65.97. So it was dropping, and right there it bounced. Beautiful long entry, and then poof, all the way 250 pip. And then you have pound yen. Also, pound was getting strong for some reason, right? I couldn't figure out, but yes, it was getting strong, and look what happened here, right? So buy order here, SL move here, and later on it came and it hit my SL. And then pound Newsy. Remember, I just showed you a down one, and then later on it bounced, then start going to the upside. Newsy was getting weaker, pound was getting strong, and big trade. I had entry here, but you see what happened, right? So as you come and sit down on a break even, and then poof. But the beauty about the system is that even if you get out, then the alarm will beep for the next setup, and then you can take this one or this one, and then still catch up something, right? So here from there, very nice all the way for 210 pip to the upside, pound Newsy. And I think this is this was the last one, right? So these are 10, 12, 13 trades, but some of these are very, very big, right? Pound Aussie 250, this is 210, pound yen 200, just on the 30th. So that's how the system is. If you learn, you can do a lot of good things about with it. So if you're interested, learning how to use it and how to get it, then go on my website. This is the name right here, myforexmagicwave.com. Today is Saturday. You can get in, get the system, and then start, set up your charts and, start learning. Okay, it needs a little bit of work. Okay, to be honest with you, it's not very easy. It is easy, but not very easy. You have to do something, right? So you do something, and you get great rewards. Okay, nothing is easy and free in this world nowadays, right? So, but for something really good, you have to do something. So the doing is only for one time, maybe a few hours, and all you have to do is that get the system, download the charts, download the indicators and everything in place, and then start making the charts, set them up, and then put these set up the 40-minute charts for the target, for the direction. And it's a little bit of work, but it's just one time, and once you have it, you save the profile, and that's it, you're done. And you just have to every day open your MT4 and refresh the charts and watch for the setups. Okay, and once you become a subscriber, you become a part of my Telegram channel as well, where I put the heads up about the setups and all the charts and everything. The setup, before charts, I post it there for everybody. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the week. And by the way, be safe wherever you are in the world. Just be safe from this virus thingy.